Florida leads the country with a reported 524 cases of Zika virus. Most of the cases are people who were infected while traveling overseas, particularly in Latin America, though 36 were transmitted locally.
We need federal help. We need the federal government to step up and do what's necessary to reconvene and make sure the state, the county gets the proper funding immediately so that we can use these resources to combat this virus.
The call for aid comes days after 5 people, 2 local residents and 3 tourists, were confirmed to have contracted Zika in the popular Miami Beach area. The city has begun spraying pesticides in outdoor areas to eradicate mosquitoes carrying the virus, but officials say more needs to be done.
The only way to make sure that we can develop a vaccine is putting money into it. The researchers can't continue that research without making sure they have the resources to do it. Our mosquito control folks can't manufacture a money tree and continue to fight mosquito control and vector control without having the resources to do it.
The recent flooding in Louisiana could increase the risk of the Zika virus spreading across the U.S. Gulf Coast, according to Dr. Anthony Fauci.
I would not be surprised if we see cases in Texas and Louisiana, particularly now where you have the situation with flooding in Louisiana. There's going to be a lot of problems getting rid of standing water.
The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has warned pregnant women worried about exposure to consider avoiding most of Florida's Miami-Dade County. Zika is linked to severe birth defects in babies born of women infected with the virus. New studies also show that Zika can also cause a reduction in brain volume in some adults. Amanda Scott, VOA News, Washington.